ocean blue and wide. All the sea animals swim with pride. Waves go swish and bubbles play. Under the sea is where they stay. The dolphin jumps up high and free, splashing bright for all to see. He clicks and sings, then dives below, dancing fast where currents flow. Octopus wiggles 8 arms long, moving softly, singing a song. She hides in coral pink and round, her gentle laugh the sweetest sound.
Crab walks sideways on the sand, waving claws with a happy hand.
He builds a home so snug and neat, right where the sea and shorelines meet. Turtle glides both calm and slow through quiet water's peaceful glow.
She hums a tune so smooth and clear
that all the fish come close to hear. Starfish shines with colors bright, resting softly in the light, while jellyfish drift all smooth and cool, floating like clouds in a glowing pool. Whale sings low a mighty song, echoing deep and strong and long. The sea friends cheer, they laugh and play, together